Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a vertical shake tutorial. So for example, first you just need to add the photos you want to use. Then click on the image, click on animations. Then you want to find rock vertical. This is the one. Make it 0.2. Then go back, click on effects, video effects. Then you want to search blur, and you want to click on oblique blur. After that, adjust it, make the blur around 70 and rotate around 50. Now that you have that, let's go back, and you have the blur, and what you want to do is you want to duplicate it 3 times so that you have 3 of them. Sorry, one, you need to have 4. Then take the last one, put it like on the other one. So you have something like this, and you want to make this one be blur 30. Then you copy this, you put it as with the previous one, you shorten this one and you put it above. And then you do the same thing and reduce the blur again to around, and you duplicate it. So if you take a look at the final version, I mean, you can make this go much faster, but okay, this is the first blur, the second blur, and like the third blur. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want Shopify, I can offer you $1 for 1 month. Link is in the description.